This is the existing habitats page. This is where we're going to be drawing all of the habitats and buildings which are on our site currently as is. And we have all of our draw tools here to help us. So to begin drawing, we click on this habitat picker and then we select the broad habitat type. So I'm going to go with lakes, and then next we select the habitat type. So I'll select ponds, priority habitat. Once we've selected that, it will start us off in draw mode and we can click to draw a habitat. And then click on the first placed point to complete the drawing. Now I'll draw the next habitat. We're going back to my habitat picker and I'll draw cropland and select cereal crops. Now this whole section here is going to be cereal crops. So rather than draw that out, I can switch my draw tool to the smart fill tool. And with this, I can simply hover over and click on the area I want to smart fill. And next, I will fill in these urban areas here. So back to my habitat picker and select urban and then built linear features. Again, I'll switch back to my smart fill tool and select each of these urban features. For the rest of the space, I'll select grassland and then modified grassland. And I'll use the fill tool where I can fill in the rest of the gaps with grassland just by hovering over and clicking them. Now, the last thing we need to do is set the required info for each habitat. We can expand the card by clicking this button, and here we can set the existing conditions and the strategic significance of the habitat. These will affect the amount of units the habitat is worth. So if you get to the stage of creating your biodiversity game plan or selling your units, these conditions will need to be checked by an ecologist, at which point you can get in contact with us and we will help you through this process. But for now, you can use your best judgment. Then click tick to collapse the card. And once we're happy with the conditions of our habitats, we can click confirm and continue to go on to the post-development stage.